I'm Anil Kumar, and this is probably the best question of the series. And I'm glad it is the last question of quadratic functions, Unit 3. It's based on linear and quadratic systems. Determine the y-intercept of a line that has a slope of 5 and that is tangent to f of x equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. I like you to pause the video, do your solution, and then look into my suggestion. Here is how I would like to do it. First, read the question. Determine the y-intercept of a line that has a slope of 5 and that is tangent to f of x equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Now, how to do this question? When we say determine slope of y-intercept of a line that has a slope of 5, let's write down equation of a line first. Okay, so equation of a line could be written as y equals to mx plus b. This is how we normally write equation of line. We are given slope, right? So we can write this as y equals to 5x plus b, and this is what we need to find, that is y-intercept. So that is fine. So we need to find what b is and let that be the equation of a line. Now the question is that it has to be tangent to this curve, 2x squared minus 3x. That means there will be a common point, and at that point f of x should be equals to y, right? So at that point f of x equals to y, and that gives us that 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 should be equal to 5x plus b. Now we can bring all the terms together and then solve for b, right? How? Let us see. Minus 3x minus 5x plus 1 minus b equals to 0. We can combine this for the time being, which is minus 8x plus 1 minus b equals to 0. Now we can use quadratic formula to solve this. But the thing is, what we need is determine y-intercept of a line that has slope of 5 and that is tangent to the curve. Tangent means that when this line is interacting with this parabola, which is opening upward somehow, and the line has a positive slope of 5, let's say we draw a line like this, then it is meeting only at one point. So that gives us an idea that b squared minus 4ac for this equation should be equal to 0. Only then it is possible. Therefore, now let's apply that rule. Discriminant b squared minus 4ac should be equal to 0. So in this equation, what is a, b and c? So we have a as 2, b as minus 8 and c as 1 minus b, right? So let's plug in those values. So what do we have here is a equals to 2, b equals to minus 8 and c is equals to 1 minus b. So we'll put in these values and then try to solve for the unknown. Do you understand? So b squared is minus 8 squared. So we get minus 8 squared minus 4 times a is for us 2 and c is 1 minus b, right? 1 minus b. This should be equal to 0 if we want one solution. So that is how we are going to solve it. I hope you understand that part. That is the strategic step. So we get 64 minus, this is 8, let me write 2 steps, 8 times 1 minus b equals to 0. Let me expand this. So 8, or we can actually divide this. So 64 equals, we'll take all the terms to the right side. That is better. 1 minus b. So now we can divide by 8. So 8 equals to 1 minus b. Let's bring b this side and 8 on the other side. So 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. So we get the value of b. For b squared minus 4ac to be 0, b should be minus 7. b is minus 7. So we have an equation which is 5x minus 7. So that is the line. That is the line which will be tangent to the given curve. And in this line, 7 is your y-intercept. If you put x equals to 0, y-intercept is 7. So determine the y-intercept of the line that has slope. So this is the equation of the line, and answer is Y-intercept is minus 7. Do you see that? Y-intercept is minus 7 for our line, which will be tangent to the given function 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Wow, that was great. I hope you loved the series as much as I while preparing it. And I think you're absolutely ready for the test. I wish you all the best to max the test and get 90 plus. Thank you and have a good